Hello, this is Greg. I have a new item. It is a HABOTEST HT628A, and I purchased it through Temu right here. 3-in-1 radiation detector, electric field, magnetic field, and radio frequency. It's $36.37. It has two types. One that has an internal battery, rechargeable. That's what I have. And a external, you can remove the batteries. If it's not something you're going to use all the time, I would recommend the removable batteries so that, if it's sitting in a drawer for 3 years, you know, the first thing you'll have to do is charge it up. If it has internal battery, if you have removable batteries, just put batteries in it and you're up and running. So that's just a personal preference, I guess. And here's the vitals. So let's go back to the overhead. It comes in this nice little case. Actually is, nice zipper, keep the thing in really good shape sitting in the box. And a nice USB cable. It has some length to it. Looks like about a couple of foot. It has this sheet right here that's kind of a bunch of different languages. I think it's just a basic. Well, I can't read that or that. Double prompt. Yeah, it just has that in English. The rest are different languages. So, well, I won't fold that back up right now. And then it has this one here, which gives you the, just the ins and outs, vital statistics, scale. In fact, let me get a 20 in on that. This is the actual scale that it reads. There you go. You can pause on that and take a good look. And let's move this stuff aside, turn it on. Let's go down here to 20, get right up on top of this thing. Okay, see that good? Yes. All right, turn it on, just hold the button down, comes on. Right now it is in RF. You push the function button and you go from magnetic to electric to RF. In magnetic, you have this little UT over here. If you want to change that, you have a hold UT and MG button. Hold it down, and there we go. I don't know why when you first turn it on, it takes twice, but it seems to be consistently that way. And then that switches that back and forth. Hold it down again. And then if you just want to hold, it's just the hold button. And it has this buzzer. And it sits there and beeps all the time. Hear that? It's very annoying when you're just messing with it, trying to learn it. So you can mute that. But if you're out using it, it'd be best to, leave that on. It'll sound off for you. So, it also has a peak. Comes up on top right here. A max. And then off. So that's pretty much it. Simple functions. On the back, it shows you that it has the can I go down? Can you get that to where you can read it better? I'll just slip in the Tom Love here and get right in on this so you can see exactly what this thing says. And right here, so in the front up here you have a RF microwave antenna, electric field sensor, and then on XYZ you have a magnetic field sensor. And those are the ranges. And so that's what that looks like. Move that out of the way. Now let me go over here to the tripod cam. Go out to 20, or no, to 1. There we go. Now, here is, I'm going to turn the sound back on, but here's on magnetic. And those because the fans are going in my computer. And if I hit the function button, you can see the alarm turns off. But where the magnetic says, let's get right here, says, what's it saying? 15, 13. Okay, there's magnetic. It says 5. I had the wrong setting. So it says 5 right there, but you'll notice that magnetic still says 5 right here. It just isn't alarming at this time. And then there's electric, and then RF. And then the magnetic is still reading. The electric is still 0, and then that's the RF reading. So, can I make that? Sorry, you can't really see that really good, can you? Boy, I can't really get the angle on it. But that's how it's, oh, there you can see it. Look at that. We'll just make it that way. And you can see that all of the readings are still the same, but it's only going to alarm on the one that's set up on top. So, that one right there. And all the other readings are still down here. Okay, now here is a little heater. Turn it on. And that's the magnetic. Oops, let's go back out here to 1. That's the magnetic. You can see it just turns bright red. It has to come out quite a ways before it goes green. Maybe a couple feet, 2-3 feet or so. And then you switch it. That's the electric. And then the RF, low. Here's a microwave right down here. Maybe we can get a little better visual on this one. Let's just turn it on for 30 seconds here. And that is magnetic, electric, which is, you got to get way up here for it to even go yellow. So, the radio frequency is extremely high, 13. Goes away fairly quick though. So, yeah. So I hope that is enough of a demonstration to show you guys how it works anyway, if you're enough to where you can tell whether you're interested or not. I'm not affiliated with these guys in any way. I have no interest whether you buy one of these or not. I'm just kind of showing off my new toy. So, and that's how it works. So I hope this helps somebody make a decision one way or another. I know that there are other ones of these out there, several different models. Kai Waits makes one that looks almost identical to it. I didn't see it till after I purchase this one, which I'm kind of happy. I probably would have bought the Kai Waits. It was like $50. And this one was, well, I paid 25 and change. And I wanted the one with no battery, with not a built-in battery, but I got what I got, so I'm keeping it. So, hope this helps somebody make a decision one way or another. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day.